Welcome! In this video, we'll show you how to access learning modules through gsLearn, including the Successful Leader Learning series, and how to track external learnings. So I'm going to start out by visiting Girl Scouts of Western Ohio's webpage at gswo.org, as you can see here. And in my upper right-hand corner, I'm going to select My GS. If you're accessing this from your mobile device or tablet, it may look a little different. But once I click here, I'm going to select Volunteer Toolkit. I'm going to sign in with the email that I registered with, and then my username, if I haven't made it yet, I'll hit Forgot Your Password and create one, but I have created one already. So now that I am getting in, as you can see here, I can access the Volunteer Toolkit from here, my member profile, and gsLearn. So let's see what gsLearn has to offer. Listed on the home page are trainings available for troop leaders. So you can see there's Girl Scout programs, going virtual. Down here I have GSUSA's outdoors, but I'm going to select New Leader Basics. Here I can find the Successful Leader Learning series course with the different foundations that you can select. So there's 5 different foundations to do. And this is a series that's a required course for new leaders from GSUSA. After you've attended your troop startup training, you can access the troop startup knowledge check in this area here, and you're going to just complete the 6 questions in there and submit that. Also, you can complete additional trainings for new leaders like troop financial management. That includes checking account procedures, money management, money earning, or GSUSA's Volunteer Toolkit tutorials that will show you how to use the Volunteer Toolkit. I can also track achievements through here, so I can see the courses that I've completed. So 240's Welcome to Girl Scouts of Western Ohio has been completed. I can also track external learning. So here, let's say that I have taken a CPR course through American Red Cross and I'd like to track it. So I'm going to select Add a New External Learning Record. Here I can say CPR, AED, and First Aid for adults. It's a certificate. I'll say today is the date that I completed the course. If there's a license number, you can put that here. My expiration date will say on my certification. It says 10/5/2022. It was a 3-hour course, so I can select that here. I didn't have a score that I need to record, and it is through American Red Cross. I can also upload the certificate, a copy of it here, and I can choose a file from my computer. Once I've completed all of this, I can hit submit. Since I didn't actually take the course, I'm going to hit cancel. But then you'll see that tracked here. So if you have any questions about gsLearn or need additional help, you can reach out to your community development manager or customer service at 888-350-5090. So now that you know how to access gsLearn, get in there and start some courses. Thanks so much for watching.